In this video, I'll show you how to use advanced prompts in Kling AI and get more control over your AI-generated videos. First, open Kling AI and start a new video project. Advanced prompting is mainly about giving the AI clear instructions about the subject, action, environment, camera, lighting, and visual style. Instead of writing one short sentence, structure your prompt around the important parts of the scene. Start with the main subject. Describe who or what should appear in the video. Then describe the action and explain exactly what the subject should do. Next, describe the environment. Mention the location, background, weather, time of day, or other details that are important to the scene. After that, add camera instructions. You can describe a slow push-in, smooth tracking shot, wide establishing shot, close-up, pan, or pull back, depending on the effect you want. Then describe the lighting and visual style. For example, you can use natural daylight, soft studio lighting, dramatic shadows, cinematic lighting, or a realistic documentary style. You can also control the timing and sequence of actions by describing what happens first and what happens next. Keep the sequence simple so Kling AI can understand the movement more clearly. For example, instead of writing "a man in a city," you could describe a realistic man walking through a rainy city street at night, looking around while reflections appear on the wet pavement, with a smooth camera tracking beside him and cinematic lighting. After generating the video, review the result and identify which parts worked and which parts need improvement. If the AI changes something incorrectly, modify only that section of the prompt. This makes it easier to understand how each instruction affects the result. Advanced prompts are especially useful for cinematic scenes, realistic characters, product videos, storytelling, action sequences, and other projects where you need more control. However, more words do not always mean better results. The goal is to provide useful and specific information without adding unnecessary details. And that's how you can use advanced prompts